You know, unfortunately, we're here because of a tragedy that happened 5 years ago. The dam upstream of here breached. Floodwaters coming from that lake took out Sanford Dam. It's really important for the community and the region at large that these lakes come back. So we're proud to be a part of it.
An auxiliary spillway typically consists of a large concrete mass that is designed to withstand a large amount of water in the event the primary spillway is overwhelmed. It can also be used to divert water during construction or repair. Roller compacted concrete is essentially the same as conventional concrete, but it has zero slump. When you reduce the amount of cement needed, you also reduce your carbon footprint. With RCC, you can get it done for a lot cheaper, and you can also get it done a lot faster. It's a fast-paced, lots of material, quick work solution to pretty much anything that needs concrete. You can place the material using off-road trucks, excavators, and dozers, which means you can essentially place it at the same rate you can place earth. Here at Sanford Dam, we're able to place about 1,200 cubic yards per shift. Trucks bring in raw material from Fisher Bay Aggregate. The batch plant blends the material to specification. The mix is hauled on site, then dozers, excavators, and rollers spread and shape the material.
The batch plant's kind of the heart of the whole project. If it's not making material, there's nothing to put down. So every second that machine is not, running at optimal performance, we're losing time placing out in the field. In the morning, we adjust moisture content of the aggregate for the batch plant, and then we bring it over and we adjust the water amount. Bring it over and get a VV test on it. We like to hit that 10-second range. We hit that, we get air, and then we start production for the day. A 12-hour shift, we're trying to hit roughly 100 cubic yards an hour, so that would be 1,200 cubic yards in a 12-hour shift. We're getting pretty close to that every day.
Quality is essentially a strong backbone to the Fisher company, so even if we're saying, yes, we are checking all the boxes, but we don't believe we're giving a quality product, we're not stopping there. We're figuring out what it is.
Once you get in a rhythm, it falls together.
Actually, everybody was kind of excited to be on the job. This is something new, it's a challenge. We've got some really smart, quality people here, and they're really making it go.
Quality control determines the process, and if we're outside of a range, we scrap the batch and we redo it. We do it again until we are within all the correct parameters. Because without that, we're out of spec, we're out of design. We want production, but we want quality before production.
The guys on the lift don't stop at acceptable. Like most of the further refining that they do is a lot of that is on them. They figure out how to get it, they take pride in it to take it that extra step.
Fisher Contracting is one of a group of family-owned businesses, all owned by the Fisher companies. We're all standalone, but we all support each other. We're all in the construction industry. But on this project, we really come together. This is a unique project, this roller compacted concrete, and it's involved every one of our companies.
What we're doing out here is really cool, but I think the thing that you don't see is how many people behind us that are really making us successful. Everybody behind the scenes has so much experience and such a strong foundation that the only thing that we really have to do here is focus on just placing RCC.
I knew people that were affected by the flood, and so I think it's really cool to be a part of one of the dams that are getting rebuilt.
It's unusual when you get the chance to work on a project that has such a big impact on your community, so we're really proud of that. I'm just glad that this is a chance to give back to the community.